Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by closing VirtualBox and shutting down all virtual machines completely. Exit the VirtualBox application from the system tray to avoid locked files. Open Settings using Windows key plus I and navigate to Apps and then Apps and Features. Consider creating a system restore point to revert changes if needed. Locate your virtual machines in the default VMs folder and copy any important VDI or VMDK files to an external drive. Note the VirtualBox version, for example VirtualBox 7.0, before you begin the uninstall process. In Apps and Features, find VirtualBox or VirtualBox 7.0 and click Uninstall to start removal. Approve the user account control prompt and follow the uninstaller steps to remove program files. When prompted, allow the uninstaller to remove network adapters and device drivers associated with VirtualBox. If you use the control panel, choose Programs and Features and uninstall VirtualBox from that list instead. Watch for prompts about Oracle VM VirtualBox networking components and agree to their removal. When the uninstaller finishes, restart Windows 11 to complete driver cleanup and service shutdown. After reboot, check C /program files /Oracle and delete any remaining VirtualBox folders manually. Remove the default VMs folder at C /users /your name /VirtualBox VMs only after you backed up necessary disk images. Open Regedit and carefully delete Oracle VirtualBox keys under HKey local machine /software /Oracle to remove registry leftovers. Also inspect network adapters in Device Manager for any residual VirtualBox host-only Ethernet and uninstall them. If you plan to reinstall, download the latest VirtualBox installer from the official site and run it as administrator. Finally, reboot once more to ensure all changes take effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.